In this upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to read your Outlook email on a smart device. The first thing you need to do is open a browser and go to account.microsoft.com. The next thing we're going to do is make sure we go to the Security tab on the left-hand side on the menu. Go ahead and get your confirmation, send notification to verify this is you, if this is how your system is set up. Next, choose Security located on the left sidebar, and then choose Manage How I Sign In. Next, go to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You're going to see two-step verification. Yours might be on, and if it is, then all you got to do is choose Manage. If it's not, just choose Turn On, and then you're going to manage it. All right? And if you just turn it on, basically, it's going to be the same as managing. So go ahead and click on that. Once you get into the screen, it's going to give you a message showing you that you can set up your smartphone with an app password. So now you've got three options at the top. If you're using an Android, iPhone, or a BlackBerry, and let's say you're going to generate a code for your Outlook email. Let's just click on that. Notice how there's a code that gets generated for that app password. Make sure you write this down, because if you write it down, then you can use it for other instances or other smart devices that you want to configure your Outlook email. Okay, just keep in mind that if you keep coming into the screen here, what's going to happen is going to generate a new password. And if you don't already configure your smart device using that password, it's going to make you use the latest one that you have. If you already have one that's configured, you're fine. So just keep that in mind. When you get your password, write it down, and then use it on other devices. If you have an Android, you just click on Android. It gives you the code. If you got a BlackBerry, I don't know who's still using that, but anyway, here we have it. So I hope these tips were helpful. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.